Hi everyone, you're here with your girl Latoya Lovell. I'm at Dr. Rita Rakus's skin clinic and I'm with Charli. How are you doing, Charli?
Hi, really good. Thank you very much.
Right, so today we are here for the iconic treatments.
Yes, so what we're going to be talking about is the hair complex and the recovery serum of AQ, which we have for our G-Fit treatments. These are our iconic treatments for the hair and for the skin.
And this is Dr. AQ, who I interviewed the other week, everyone. So if you haven't checked out that interview, go and give it a watch. She explains all about the products, growth factor, what it actually means, and everything you want to know as a woman about how to stay young and beautiful, as far as I'm concerned. But it's not just about skincare. We've also got hair care products.
Yes, that's right. So our hair care complex is our AQ Hair Complex Plus, and this is our growth factor serum to regenerate hair. It can be for people who are balding, but also for women whose hair is just lacking a bit of luster and they need a bit of bump. So what we do is we treat using our microneedle stamp. It's a small stamp, very pain-free. We press it into the skin and we basically make tiny little trauma to the face. Start again. We make tiny little trauma to the hair so that the product can go into the skin and create change and regeneration.
Okay, I know you just said, start again, but I kind of don't feel like you need to because this is the same one you use on the face as well.
Yes, so exactly so. So pardon me from before, but we do also use the same stamp for the face, and the face uses recovery serum. So recovery serum is our hero product for the brand. It is our strongest % growth factor, which is its strongest in the world. We use 60% human growth factors. So big percentage in there. We also use it with the same stamp, obviously different areas, different treatments. And what we're going to do for the skin is regenerate the tissue for pores, lines, wrinkles, pigmentation. We're going to treat rosacea, acne scarring, and stretch marks.
I like this. Stretch marks. See, I need to come back for that one. Right, so also this Derma pen that you've got right now, that is specifically Dr. AQ's one that he's invented.
This is our one. You can get lots of other ones on the market. We use the stamp, not the roller. The roller is a little bit old-fashioned technology now and actually causes too much trauma in the skin. So what you need to be looking for is a Derma stamp or a Derma pen that provides a 90-degree angle of needles to the skin. That is the best thing that you can treat your face with.
What can I expect? Because I'm about to go in. Everyone knows I'm a little bit scared and I've got a needle phobia, but I keep saying if I can do it, women, any of you guys can. What can I expect?
What I would say, it is not pain-free, but it is not painful. Okay, so what you're going to feel is some sensation, some prickliness, and then what you will feel is warmth coming through to the skin. So you'll feel the skin flushing because blood's coming to the skin surface, and the blood is enabling the body to bring all the nutrients and goodness to help heal the skin. And we are then adding in our AQ growth factors, which we know are super potent, and these are going to help to regenerate that tissue further. So you're going to get maximum effects with minimum downtime.
I was going to say, because when we had the event, he obviously showed pictures of people that have had like microneedling without the growth factor and with the growth factor, and you could see a massive difference in their recovery time, even in regards to, I think it was like 45 minutes later.
Absolutely.
He done.
We have some images from even as soon as 10 minutes after using growth factors and not using growth factors. So the change is phenomenal by adding in AQ growth factors. It provides approximately 40% reduction in downtime compared to not using AQ.
Okay, so we're going to get some before and after images of me today as well. Charli, thanks for taking the time to speak to me, and I'm looking forward to my treatment now. So Bambi, you had the hair complex treatment today. How was it?
It was amazing. Like, I was literally just having a conversation throughout the whole thing. Just felt like a little, I can't describe it, like a little pencil just tapping your head. It wasn't painful. It wasn't like, oh my God, this hurts. It was just like, there's nothing there.
I'm going for the face one today. Okay. Why did you go for the hair one?
Honestly, I would have went for the facial one, but I thought I want to try something different because, you know, I've done facials before. I want to try something that I've never tried on my hair before. So I thought, yeah, I'll try this out. And it was, yeah, it was good. It's good.
Charli's doing my microneedling. I'm now lying down. I'm now nervous, but it's fine.
So I'm going to clean your skin, just prep it. Have you got any makeup on?
No, I've got mascara on.
That's no problem. We're not going over the lashes, so that's okay. So I'm just going to wipe over now.
Yeah.
Just some product to prep the skin before the needle to make sure there's no bacteria on the skin.
So do we do it side by side?
Yes, that's exactly it. So we're going to do basically a cheek area, then we're going to do the next, then we're going to do forehead, nose, upper lip and chin. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop on some product onto your cheek, we're going to do some needling, and we're going to put more product to finish. So, here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. 1 press, okay?
Yeah.
2 press. How's that
It
feel?
doesn't hurt at all.
Good. And just do a little bit of light stamping here. Good. Brilliant, that side is done. It'll take about an hour and it will go down.
Okay.
It won't last for too long, and any pinkness in the skin will be the same, and by tomorrow your skin will just be beautiful. I'm doing it because we don't want to be too mean. If you're using the right serums with your needling, you don't need to do numbing, because it means you don't need to be spending a lot of time making the skin really angry, because a lot of microneedling treatments you'll see, they make a lot of blood and a lot of trauma. Really, all you need is mild trauma and good ingredients like AQ to re-stimulate growth in the skin. You just don't need it to be too traumatic. Product. So if you can pull your lip in for me for when we treat, yeah, that's brilliant. And I'm sorry now in advance, because it's going to just be a little bit stingy. Here we go.
Is that it?
That is it. I'm going to put 1 more blob to finish, and then we are good.
Wow.
You've done it fantastically well done.
I'm really proud of myself. I finished my treatment with Charli and it went a lot better than I thought. I have a needle phobia, like everyone always knows. However, it wasn't very painful. It was more of a make your eyes water pain rather than a, oh my gosh, this is too much to handle pain. So I definitely recommend it. I had my treatment with Charli. Thank you so much, Charli. We're using the Dr. AQ Skin Solutions products. So if you want to have the treatment yourself, get down here. I'll put the link in the bio so you can actually see where I've had it done. And from your girl Latoya Lovell, Dr. AQ Skin Solutions. Charli, thank you so much. We are out.